Okay, we found the center already to be at negative 3, 3. So let's go ahead and plot that. Negative 3, 1, 2, 3, positive 3 would be right there. And we said that the radius was 8. So that means we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oops, 8. Just have to go a little bit above my line there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 down. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So actually we could go ahead and draw in that circle now if we wanted to. Probably wouldn't be the best at it just because we don't have a whole lot of points. Just those 4 is not a lot of points to be able to get that circle nice and round. That's okay. We do still need to go through though and find our x and y intercepts. So first things first, let's find our x-intercept. And again, remember you're letting y be 0 and solving for x. And we're going to go back to our standard form equation to make that happen. So that means x plus 3, quantity squared, plus 0 minus 3 squared equals 64. Alright, so let's go ahead and finish this out. So here we have x plus 3 squared, and 0 minus 3 is a negative 3, squared is a positive 9, equals 64. Now if we subtract 9 from both sides, we get x plus 3 squared equals 55. Now let's take the square root of both sides to undo the square. So we have x plus 3 equals plus or minus the square root of 55. Now 55 only has 5 times 11 and 1 times 55 as its factors. So since neither one of those contain a perfect square, that's as far down as we can simplify the square root of 55. Now we can subtract 3 from both sides to get x alone. So if I subtract 3 from both sides, then that becomes negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 55. That is actually 2 x-intercepts. That is negative 3 plus the square root of 55, comma 0. And that is negative 3 minus the square root of 55, comma 0. So these are my 2 x-intercepts. As scary as they may look, that is the x-intercept. Or those both are. Alright, now let's find our y-intercepts in the time that we have left. And for all y-intercepts, the x value is 0, so we go back to the standard form and we plug in a 0 for x. So 0 plus 3 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 64. And now I'm going to move down so I have more room. So 0 plus 3 is 3, squared is 9, plus y minus 3 squared equals 64. Alright, and subtracting 9 from both sides, we get y minus 3 squared equals 55. Now taking the square root of both sides, we get y minus 3 equals plus or minus the square root of 55. And then adding 3 to both sides, we get y equals 3 plus or minus the square root of 55. So our 2 y-intercepts are at 0, 3 plus the square root of 55, and at 0, 3 minus the square root of 55. They don't have to be pretty, they just have to work out mathematically.